Have you ever wondered why some salespeople consistently close deals while others struggle to make even a single sale? What if the secret to successful selling isn't about what you're offering, but how you communicate? In this video, we're diving deep into the only 3 things you need to say to close a sale effectively. We'll uncover the 3 unique, underrated techniques that top sales professionals use to turn prospects into loyal customers. Missing out on this video could mean missing out on mastering these critical selling strategies that could transform your sales approach and results. Hit subscribe and let's get started. Number 1, unlock the power of inquiry, mastering questions that lead to sales. The first crucial element in sales is to engage potential clients with thoughtful questions. This strategy is about digging deeper into the client's needs and expectations. For instance, in a high-stake business deal, asking the right questions can reveal the client's underlying challenges and goals, allowing you to tailor your pitch more effectively. Questions should be open-ended, designed to guide the conversation and help clients articulate their needs, much like a consultant uncovering the pain points that only your product or service can alleviate. Imagine you're selling cloud-based solutions to businesses. During a conversation with a potential client who runs a medium-sized e-commerce platform, you might ask, "Can you describe some of the challenges you've faced with data accessibility and security?" This question not only prompts the client to think critically about their current issues, but also sets the stage for you to introduce how your cloud solutions can enhance data security and access. Number 2, the art of echo. How restatement can win trust and close deals. The second element involves restating or paraphrasing what the client has shared. This technique confirms that you understand their concerns and are actively listening, which helps build trust and rapport. For example, after a client discusses their business challenges, you might say, "So, if I understand correctly, your main challenge is streamlining the supply chain to reduce costs. Is that correct?" This not only clarifies the discussion, but also reinforces their confidence in your attentiveness and comprehension. Following the client's explanation about their struggles with data management and frequent downtimes, you could respond, "So, it sounds like your current infrastructure is struggling to keep up with traffic spikes, especially during high sales periods, leading to significant downtimes. Is that right?" This restatement shows that you're actively listening and understanding their situation, which helps in building trust and setting a foundation for the solution you will propose. Number 3, story selling. Crafting narratives that convert skeptics into buyers. The final and perhaps most compelling element is storytelling. This approach shifts the conversation from a simple transaction to an engaging narrative that illustrates the benefits of your service or product. Instead of bombarding clients with data and features, tell them a story that paints a picture of the problem you solve and how it positively impacts similar clients. For instance, share how a previous client increased their operational efficiency by 20% after adopting your solution, highlighting the strategic steps and the end benefits. To illustrate the effectiveness of your cloud solutions, you might share a story about another e-commerce business that faced similar challenges. "Let me tell you about a client of ours, XYZ Retail, who was experiencing similar issues last year. After switching to our cloud services, they not only reduced their website downtimes by over 90%, but also saw a 30% increase in site speed, which significantly boosted their sales. They were able to handle higher traffic volumes effortlessly during their peak season." How does a solution like this sound for addressing the challenges you're facing? Conclusion: integrating techniques for sales success. Integrating these 3 techniques, asking insightful questions, restating to confirm understanding, and using storytelling to illustrate value can dramatically improve your sales effectiveness. Each element plays a crucial role in not just addressing client needs, but also in building a relationship based on trust and understanding. By focusing on these strategies, you ensure that your sales conversations are not only more engaging, but also more likely to result in successful closures. Remember, the goal of a sales dialogue is to transition smoothly from understanding the client's needs to demonstrating how your product or service provides the best solution. Stay subscribed to our channel for the techniques will not only boost your confidence, but also your capability to close deals more effectively and consistently.